To make a puff flower, first we're going to start off with a magic ring. We're going to chain 1, and we're going to work 12 single crochet around that ring. Once we're done working 12 single crochet in that ring, we're going to join with the slip stitch. Since I ended on a chain 1, I'm just going to add 1 more. So you should have chained 2 at this point. So now we're going to yarn over, and in that same stitch that we did this chain 2, we're going to pull up a loop. We're going to do it as far as we can. You're going to pull the hook up as far as you can. So you're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. So you did that 3 times. So you should have a total of 7 loops on your hook. Okay, now we're going to go to the next stitch. We're going to yarn over. We're going to pull up a loop 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And now you should have a total of 13 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, and you're going to pull through all the loops except for the chain 2 loop, and you're going to yarn over and pull through those last 2 loops. And then we're going to chain 2. And then in the next stitch, we're going to work a slip stitch. Okay, so we have our first puff. So we're going to do it again. So we're going to chain 2. We're going to work 3 loops in that same stitch that you did the slip stitch and the chain 2. So you'll have a total of 7 loops on your hook. Okay, and then in the next stitch, you're going to pull up another 3 loops. You're going to yarn over. You're going to pull through all those loops except for the last chain 2. So 2 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over. You're going to pull through those 2 loops, and then you're going to chain 2. Work a slip stitch in the next stitch. And we're going to chain 2. And we're just going to repeat this all the way around until we have a total of 6 puffs. Once you're all finished with your 6 puffs, you're going to want to fasten off. And you're all finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share.